What up, people? I'm just chilling out with Charles Costa. Charles Costa. And it's the blizzard of 2015.
And we're at Sears.
We're at Sears.
Someone just robbed us.
I guess someone's in trouble, but Charles was kind enough. Wait, we gotta go in this side. Oh. I guess Charles was kind enough to let me use his discount because I gotta get a suitcase. I'm going somewhere. I'll let you know about that later. But what was I gonna say? It's hot. Yeah,
someone's gonna have a nice one bed in the holiday.
We're supposed to get 20 feet of snow over here. It's gonna be crazy. I got it. So I just bought a suitcase, 7-piece set. Comes with everything. Where the hell do we park?
Watch over here. Watch over the car. Ah!
As you can see, Charles is a Raiders fan like me. We got all the Raider gear. We're Raider brothers for life.
Yeah. Raider Nation. Al Davis.
Now, Taco Bell it is.
Al Bundy.
What? Hey everybody. What's going on? There's a blizzard out here. I just shoveled all this walkway. Look how big the drifts are. These are the drifts. These are like 4-foot drifts. Look at this. So tall, but yeah. This is the blizzard of 2015. The biggest blizzard in my generation has ever seen. Look at this shit. This is crazy. Cars are almost freaking under the snow, buried. I just shoveled my car out a little bit. So, you know, it really didn't do much because it's just gonna keep snowing. So, it doesn't even matter. But yeah, this is crazy. There's a travel ban, so we're not allowed to travel until they unban us, whatever. Because it's too dangerous out. It's supposed to stop snowing tomorrow. It started last night, all through today. Supposed to get over 2 feet. Let's go check out the real part of the city. I don't know where you're from, West Coast. You don't see this ever, so you're lucky. But this is the city, and there is no cars anywhere. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's two. But hardly anybody. Look all the way down. It's just crazy. The reason I was buying a suitcase yesterday was because I'm going away for like a month. My job is sending me to an island called Nantucket where we're working on a building. So I'm gonna be out there for about a month. And we're not coming back home on weekends or anything. So we'll be working 7 days a week, overtime, double time, time and a half. So ching, I'll be getting that money. I'm gonna bring my cameras, so I'm gonna try to vlog. I know I'm gonna be very busy, but I'm gonna try. I've never been there. On the island I went to last summer, Martha's Vineyard, it's like an hour away from that. So it might be similar, I don't know. We'll have to see. Look at this guy. Their car is buried alive. But I just got Dying Light for Xbox. About to go play that and have a good old grand old time. If you do like video games, I got a Twitch. Go to twitch.tv/lifeofmikey1 and you can watch my games or whatever. Also upload them to YouTube on my other gaming channel, youtube.com/lifeofmikeygaming. I got links in my description and in my channel header. So if you like that kind of stuff, go there. Look at this. I'm just gonna jump in here. Oh! Oh shit. Okay, that's enough snow for today, for right now. What's up, guys? I'm in Nantucket for a job. We came out here on the ferry. It's an island off of the coast of Massachusetts. It's an island off the coast of Massachusetts. So I got offered a job here. Well, not offered, but I got a job here, and we're building this Stop and Shop, I think it is. And staying out here for a couple weeks, and they're paying for room and board and everything, so we got our own house, and it's big. I'm gonna show you real quick. Alright, so this is the outside. Let's go in. Cribs. It's cribs.
Three. There's 5 of us.
We're shooting cribs right now.
Whatever's left in the fridge.
We got the homie Tim.
Oh, shit. What up, man?
What up, boy?
Jose. Joey.
Don't put that shit on Facebook.
I'm putting it all up.
I'm putting it all up.
You want to see that shit on Facebook.
I'm not putting it on Facebook. This is one room. Double bed. This is Tim's room, the king. King bed. Bathroom.
You feel like shit too?
Shit.
So do I, man.
Kitchen.
You know what it is? I gotta take a shower. Bro.
Laundry. And this is our house. Little bathroom right here. Kitchen. Dining room. Big ass, big screen TV. 50-inch or something like that. Living room. Then we go upstairs. This is pretty nice. Go upstairs. Straight ahead, you got another bedroom. And you got another bedroom over here. There's a shower in there. Dude's taking a shower right now. And then you got my room. Another big bed. But sadly, no TV in here. But hey, it's alright. But yeah, this is on and popping. This is nice. This house is easily worth 10 grand a week. So I don't know how they managed to do that, but we got in here for free. We don't gotta pay anything. Plus, we're making really good money. We got 40 hours a week, overtime, double time, time and a half, everything. Working 7 days a week. We're getting this job done. So that's my little update, guys. I'm here in Nantucket. That's about it. I'll be trying to do a little bit. I'll be trying to do some vlogs during the week. I'll add it on to this, but it might be short because I'll be working a lot. So it just depends on what we do. But the weather's been shitty. It's supposed to snow again tomorrow and the next day and the next day. It's supposed to get like 12 inches of snow here. So, and the wind is high. So, and we do have Wi-Fi here, so I'm very happy about that. So here I am. Signing off. See what the rest of the time, not vacation, business trip brings us. Frozen the water is.
The whale. The whale over there.
Look at the lady. He's kidding. He's kidding. But he got me. The lady believes you.
Yeah, I did. I believe.
Look at these houses over here. Check out these houses.
Wow.
What are you selling it for? It takes everything.
Oh! Jump! 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 Falling everywhere. It's crazy. Yeah, so we are on our way back to the house, back home actually, because there's gonna be a storm and we're not gonna be working tomorrow. So we're only leaving for 1 day, which sucks. Because the guy at the company said if we're not back on Tuesday, we're gonna get fired. So it's Sunday today. We only have 1 day to be back. really sucks. I was gonna say Wednesday. We're probably not even gonna work Tuesday anyways because of the rain. So just updating you guys. Haven't been really doing much but work. So on the ferry home. That's about it. I'm gonna go to Melissa's, hang out with her, spend the day with her, and then back here. Sucks, but. Hey guys, I'm at Melissa's house. And let's see what she's doing. You haven't seen these guys in a while. Hey! She's hiding.
Listen, how's your mask? Don't record it.
Look at these two. Haven't seen them in a while. Say hi. Hello. Hey, Riley. And we have a blizzard. Well, not a blizzard, but another winter storm out there.
I'm always trying to get a cat.
Oh, the cat went outside. Look at it. Yeah, another winter storm. We're getting about, I think there's going to be a foot here. I think there's like a foot here, but even though it's snowing here, it looks pretty nice. Even though it's snowing here, it's not snowing in Nantucket. It's raining. So I do have to go back tomorrow, which sucks. So I'm only here for one day, and then, so I gotta go back to my dad's tonight, because he lives like 5 minutes from the ferry. So I'm gonna sleep there tonight, so I'll just wake up nice and early, catch the 6:30 ferry, and I guarantee we won't work tomorrow. The guy said we have to be back Tuesday, and I'm guaranteeing we won't work tomorrow because it's supposed to be like a 90% chance of rain, and we obviously can't work in the rain. So it is what it is. But I actually need to go outside, so I'm gonna take a few shots, practice some of my photography outside in the snow, get a good couple, landscape shots. But yeah, and then I gotta go to Best Buy to get a USB drive, and I gotta go to Dick's to get a ski mask. So that's my day today. Hey guys, finally leaving the island today because we got laid off. I got laid off. 5 guys got laid off, and 5 guys are staying. So we're packing up. Got all my bags ready. About to leave, going home on the 4:30 ferry, and out of here. I don't want to leave because I need the money, but I do want to leave because it sucks here because there's nothing to do and it's freezing. So I'll be home today. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna surprise Melissa. She doesn't even know I'm coming home. And tomorrow's also tonight starts All-Star Weekend, so tomorrow's All-Star Saturday, dunk contest, 3-point shootout, and everything. So I don't know if I showed you guys this house yet. This house is huge outside, next door. It's like a mansion. No one lives in it though. It's only a summer house. Oh, there's actually people in the driveway. I guess somebody does live in it. Alright, but that's about it for Nantucket. We are out of here. Actually, let me show you guys. This is the house. I never really showed you. This is the outside. This is our porch thing. So, this is the house. 5. So, yeah. Sorry, you guys. I couldn't really see anything because I was just a work-related trip up in the summer. Hopefully you can see something, but I'll show you a view of the island. I'll show you a view of the island right here. So I was told that this lighthouse, by this timer right here, because he knows everything, that this is the most photographed lighthouse in the world, in the country, not the world, the country. And we are going 40 miles per hour right now. And here we go. And guys, I am back home at my house, or whatever. I'm back home, so not in Nantucket anymore. So that's about it. Thanks for coming along on my little trip. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a bunch of vlogs put in one. So it lasted over about like 2 weeks or something like that. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed some of those videos. That's about it. Thanks for watching. This is the life of Mikey. Peace.